Okay, so I just redid my bodice, and I am going to attempt to do the clear elastic again with the sewing machine using a zigzag stitch. Okay, so I went ahead and I just pinned my fabrics together, my main and my lining fabrics together, because sometimes when you're trying to do all this cutting, it turned out a little uneven. But I'm telling you, I am not a professional. So, all right, what now I'm going to do, I'm just going to turn my bodice on the right side, on the wrong side out. Okay, so I just turned my bodice on the wrong side out. Okay, and I am going to take my elastic here, and I'm going to go to the sewing machine. All right, now I believe I'm going to start over here towards this end, and I'm just going to do a zigzag stitch to attach it. I'm not going to stretch anything, okay? So let's see if I can do that with one hand. All right, so I just checked my stitches to just see how tight they were. I don't think this is tight at all. I believe this would be really good. But if it was really tight, then I think it would be a problem. So I think this is a good zigzag stitch to start to attach my elastic. So now let's see. So I was just checking my my stitches for my zigzag stitch to see what will probably be a good tension for it, because I don't want it to be too tight. So this is the first one I did, and I believe that was at maybe a 2.5 or something, 3, and this is a 4. I don't know, I'm gonna try 4 because I'm not trying to mess nothing up. So let's see. All right, I'm doing this with one hand, okay? So I have my elastic that's gonna be butted up against my fabric here, okay? And I'm just gonna do a stitch, holding both of them. You see, I think it was somebody on the, I'm not using my serger, just using my sewing machine, okay? And I'm using a wide stitch. Get some more of this fabric. Okay. Let's see if y'all, okay, there we go, that's perfect. I'm going slow. Fabric. Let's see how this baby works. Take this one out. Get some more of this fabric in here. Alright, and don't like this a little. Alright, just like that. I'm doing this with one hand, y'all. So, all right, hold on. I'm almost coming up to my end here. Take this off. Lay that flat. Try to lay it flat the best way you can. Alright, so now I got to this end here. Now I'm gonna, where my scissors at? Gotta go get my scissors so I cut this stuff off. Cut it off here. Alright, let's take this baby off. Now, let's take it off. Okay, this is what I got. I left my now. One thing I can say today, y'all made me learn how to do this thing today. And you know what? I believe that's a good thing. No, I know it's a good thing. Oh, look at that. Woo, baby, look at that. Now, look y'all, look what y'all, you know what I'm saying, made me motivated to do. Like, this is a great day. Do you hear me? Look, I done got that song on now. Look at that. My body's still looking nice, right, and tight, baby. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Carrie, okay? Oh my gosh, thank you so much for seeing my SOS, baby, because I blew that thing up there in the air, and Carrie said, oops, I need to go over here, you know what I'm saying? Hey, I need to go and help my girl Jessica, tell her how I'm supposed to do this so we can be great together. I love y'all so much. Thank y'all so much. So now I am going to attach my skirt to it because I want to see if it may move. Hold on one more second, Miley. Give me 2 more seconds because I'm shining right now, okay? So I'm gonna attach my skirt to it, and I'll show y'all what that look like. Cause now, I mean, this right here is great. Now I want to see what it's gonna look like when I put the skirt on that thing. Woo! I'm excited. Okay. So I wanted to do a comparison on the elastic, with the elastic, all that type of stuff. Okay. So this is Miley. This is the first dress I have. This is without the elastic. Okay. This is just what I normally would regularly do. Okay, so here we go. I think, put your arms up, my fool. Put your arms up like this. Yeah, you see, this is right here. Now, as you can see, I got like a little bulkiness right here. But it's still, it doesn't look like it's all stretched out. Okay? So, this is without the elastic. This is what I normally do. But I think it still look good. I like that. Alright? Alright, so now I'm going to show you a video with the one I did with the elastic, but I used my serger, okay? All right, this is the dress I use with my serger. It has the elastic in it, but it does not. But I use my serger. So turn around, Miley. See him? Well, you know, it's a little wavy. It's stretched out a little bit more than what I wanted it to, but still, you know, Mama worked hard on. Turn around. Turn around, Miley. Yes, but this is still wearable. But like I said, it stretched out a good bit. Okay, y'all. This is a game changer for me. This is my dress with the clear elastic. And I use my machine doing the zigzag stitch. Turn around, Mama. Everything still looks perfect. Put your hands out the way. Sorry. Look at that. Everything doesn't look stretched out. It looks all nice, clean. Like it is. I love this. All right, y'all. I'm just going to say.
Bye.